Welcome back. Suppose you deposit $550 into an account earning 6.4% compound interest for 6 years. How much will that money grow? In this video, we're going to find the future value and the total interest earned for 5 different compounding frequencies: annual, semi-annual, quarterly, monthly, and daily, as we fill out this table together. To make this incredibly easy, we'll be using the online TVM Calculator at calcube.com, which mirrors the approach of a standard BA2 Plus financial calculator. You can find the direct link in the description below, or just head to calcube.com, click on Finance, and select TVM Calculator. Before we start typing in numbers, let's break down what these variables actually mean. PY stands for payments per year, and CY is the compounding frequency per year. For simplicity, when dealing with standard compound interest, we set both of these to match our corresponding frequency. So for annual, they'll both be 1, semi-annual 2, quarterly 4, monthly 12, and daily 365. N is the total number of compounding periods over the entire term. To find N, we'll multiply the number of years by our compounding frequency. For the 6-year term, compounded annually, N is 6 times 1, which gives 6. For semi-annual compounding, N is 6 times 2, which is 12. For quarterly, 6 times 4, which gives 24. For monthly, 6 times 12, 72. And for daily, 6 times 365, 2,190. IY is our annual interest rate, which stays at 6.4% across the board. PV, or present value, is a starting principal of $550. Finally, payment represents any recurring periodic payment. Since we're not adding any extra money to this account over the 6 years, we set PMT to 0. Now let's jump into the Calcube TVM calculator and get our answers. First, make sure FV, or Future Value Radio button at the top, is selected, since that's what we want to solve for. You can leave the payment timing option at end, as it won't affect our results here. For annual compounding, set PY and CY to 1. Enter 6 for N, 6.4 for IY, 0 for payment, and 550 for present value. Press compute. You'll notice the answer field shows minus 798.02. But why is it negative? It's because financial calculators consider cash flow direction. When money leaves your pocket to go into the bank, that's one direction. When you withdraw the money, that's the opposite direction. If we change the present value to a negative value and hit compute again, the future value becomes a positive 798.02. To find the interest, we just subtract our principal from the future value. 798.02 minus 550 gives 248.02. For semi-annual compounding, change PY and CY to 2. And change N to 12. Keep everything else the same and hit compute. Our future value grows to 802.64, meaning we earn an interest of 252.64. For quarterly compounding, set PY and CY to 4. Change N to 24. Press compute. Now we have an FV of 805.03, giving an interest total of 255.03. For monthly compounding, switch PY and CY to 12. Update N to 72 and hit compute. This gives a future value of 806.66 and 256.66 in interest. Lastly, for daily compounding, set PY and CY to 365. Change N to 2190. Hit compute. Our final value is 807.45, giving us 257.45 in interest. Looking at our completed table, the trend is crystal clear. As the compounding frequency increases, your money grows faster. By switching from annual to daily compounding, you earn an extra $9.43 on the exact same principal. That is the true power of compounding. So which compounding frequency does your bank use? Are you even aware? Let me know down in the comments below. Please feel free to check calcube.com for other finance calculators and statistics emulators. Thanks for watching.